with me gon' have you jealous.
I know that I gotta stay away from all your games. Yeah, I know that I found somebody else to love me one day. You'll realize the grass ain't greener on the other side. No, you did me dirty for the last time, so now I gotta say goodbye. Away from all your games, yeah, I know that I found somebody else to love me one day. You'll realize the grass ain't greener on the other side. No, you did me dirty for the last time, so now I gotta say goodbye. So now I gotta say goodbye.
Two lights in your eyes made me forget about myself. Unreal, never pop two pills and put yourself to sea. Yeah, I better be off. You better get behind the way you love, devoid of energy. Yeah, better bring my song. If you feel like wrong, you edit out and get it caught. I wronged you now. Better do the dance for another one. Forever gay, how it's going. I'm in a rush when the lights come on. Cause I ain't the same, so I run away. Couldn't face the pain, so I acted out and overcame. And overcame. And I break through. I better be off. You better get behind the way you love, devoid of energy. Yeah, what you say in the dark, I'm at a loss. My reach goes wide and far. I've got powers in my dreams, but awake and I still can't feel a thing. Pressure with your pressure on me, and I kept deflating. I'm certainly no good for it, but I kept saying and then overcame.
This guest, the audience here is top notch. Free your soul. I can't believe I'm the teacher now. Who else wants to? Music is invigorating, isn't it? Please, keep your mouth shut. Objection overruled. Ready? Good listeners are much more rare than good performers.
Yeah. Unknown Brain, Marvin Devine. I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, your friends commentators, and I don't know what you say about our private conversations, but it's got them hating. Thanks to all the rumors you be claiming. It's cool, I'm done with you, so they can throw you a celebration. You gon' hate it when you see me with somebody living better. I'm trying to tell you.
So now I gotta
Yeah, my life is lovely now, I'm focused on me. You said you were about to die, I guess the car is on E. But see, I ain't even tripping, cause I just chose to believe that somebody gon' come around and give me just what I need. I don't wanna see you frowning, see you looking down and out, coming to me crying, saying you miss having me around. Gave you chances and you blew it, you so easy